bad girl step out, I'm stunting. Wait, my eyes them tick like pumpkin.
Hi. Okay. So, I know y'all used to seeing Savannah, but
I'm here, y'all. I'm here.
This is still her channel, but she wanted me to do something this week, and I am no way, shape, or form a hairstylist. Okay. If y'all know me, y'all know how I be wearing my wigs. Like, you can pull it off. Yes. I don't be gluing it, no baby hairs, none of that. She wanted me to do a little side swoop kind of thing. So, just bear with me because I really don't know how to do it. I am not arrogant. And...
Right. Oh my God, Mel.
Exactly. I'm not Mel. I'm definitely far from Mel. So, I mean... Don't be cutting my ass in these comments, because trust and believe, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I'm going to stop talking. Savannah is probably going to jump in at this point, and I'm going to get into it. Hey.
Yes, y'all. I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm here. Oh, embarrassing me and all. I'm here.
Is this a
Y'all,
frontal or a closure?
It's a closure. Don't mind me, y'all. I look bad. I came from work, but this video must go on. Must go on. Like I said, maybe in another video y'all see me do a hair video. I'll be doing it, but I'm busy right now, and my sidekick came over or whatever, so yeah.
Hey, y'all. Forgive us. This is kind of ghetto.
Clearly, look at the face. Look at the face.
This is very ghetto. Well, we don't make it work.
I'm in the ghetto. Ratatata. Ratatata.
Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for getting me to 400 subscribers. 400.
This is like a side part to y'all. I hope it's you.
It better, because Pony will knock you out. Mink.
What side you want it to be on? It don't matter.
Move your blood clot.
Corona. Corona. This side.
Okay. I can do that.
Y'all, so what she really did was curve it around the shape of the head to see if it was going to look good in a ponytail, because that's what we wanted, a side swoop ponytail. So she put the moves on the hair. I don't think you're supposed to do that, but yeah, she put the moves on the head and spread it out like she's spreading out whipped cream, pancake, breakfast at IHOP. Yeah, like then she'll be gonna comb it through. I don't think you're supposed to comb through most of your head unless the weave is like curly, but me not have that. Shorty then decided to brush the moves throughout the hair. I keep saying I don't think you're supposed to do these things because I don't think you're supposed to do that. But anyway, Shorty girl trying to measure and see if it look good, but God know it don't look good. It no look good. But Shorty be watching YouTube videos on how to do it all the time. So I'm like, she got this, no worries. Oh my God, her and this phone. Lord have mercy. Lord Jesus.
Oh, I can see you.
No shit, Shorty girl. Dog, I can see you. Anyway, Shorty changed her music, right? And now she distracted again. Talk about some she the nigga that goes right there and these like Shorty girl. Do the hair. Do the hair. Anywho, she's trying to part it, guys. Part it to make it a straight part.
Y'all, this is what Adrian told me. What was it again?
Okay, now like I was telling y'all, so she's parting the part. She's trying to make sure it's straight because come on now, no zigzag parts on purpose. Well, on accident. Well, no. But no zigzag parts when zigzag part not needed. Period. Like, come on now. But anyway, Shorty was just feeling herself. Hey. Oh no. Go on, sister.
Orange, but tonight, cause on the night of suck together. Yeah. But a nice either slime. Dirty.
Okay, y'all. So now she's using the got to be glue in the black tube to, I think, set the hair down so she could do the swoop. But I think she definitely missed a couple steps. But anywho, so she, excuse me, she's brushing it now, right? And she's dancing. She needs to worry about what's going on in her head though. Anyway, she's brushing. I think she should have used a soft brush, but yeah. She's gonna use the got to be spray. Ask her why is she using that. Oh my god. She's using the got to be spray, right? And brushing with the weave brush when she should be using the soft brush. But just watch her and yeah, let's see what's happening next. Okay, y'all. So now she's trying to put in a ponytail because she swooped the swoop. She combed through it. She did all of that. So she said she do it already. The lighting got dark, so she gotta fix that. Watch ya. Shot this go. Pause up. Watch her to know. But anyway, she used that to comb out the swoop and see if the wig gonna look good. Here she go with this phone again, bro. Here she go. Anyways, so she's fixing the swoop. Now she's gonna put in a ponytail. Well, all you guys see and understand that she's having trouble with the rubber band. Now look at this, y'all. Should the skin up her face. We're changing music now because I guess that's what distracted her from making a tight ponytail. Whoa. So what I asked her to do was turn the wig so it's on the side. The part is on the side, right? And you wanna see how she just jerk up or something? Anyways, I said turn it on the side because I want a side part, y'all. I wanted a side part. But anyways, that's what she did. And now she put in one got to be glue, the black tube. I guess to make it stiff and make it set. Just watch a video.
In like another video, if y'all click a video right up here, y'all will see how this wig look on ahead. Yeah. Period. Book her.
No.
Y'all better not cut our ass or nothing. This is just a little 1, 2, 3 for little pictures.
If you gonna cut my ass, then I want to see you send me your video of you doing it.
Period.
Cause I've been told y'all from the start. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So if you want to cut my ass, or at least give constructive criticism.
Yeah. Picture of what I wanted.
It's gonna be like the stage room. What I wanted, what I got.
I'm gonna put what I wanted.
Do you want it like right here, or do you want it lower down?
It's gonna go lower down. We're gonna go.
Oh,
like, you could do it, girl, but you could just bounce some more. Yeah, let me see.
hair?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then y'all, this is gonna be a little curly or whatever.
This is not the finishing touch. We just, I don't know what the hell we doing.
Yeah. Other than that, y'all, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching my stuff. Thanks for watching my video.
Yep.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all know this is my part. Tell a friend to tell a friend, because once me up, on the up, and when on the up, we up, and we're set for straight. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in to Spice TV. Spice out. But I'll be back.
Can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clowns so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Shen Yang anthem. No girl can't see me and start problem. Them a man clowns so me walk on them.